Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Tundra's maintenance light. First, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, look at your multi-information display. You need to make sure it is showing Trip A. If it's not, simply press the DISP or Trip button until Trip A is visible. This is a crucial first step for a successful reset. Now that your display is set to Trip A, turn the ignition completely to the OFF position. Next, find your trip meter reset button, usually located near the odometer. Press and hold this button down firmly. It is very important to keep this button pressed throughout the next step to properly initiate the reset sequence for your Tundra's maintenance light. With the trip meter reset button still held down, turn the ignition back to the on position. Remember, do not start the engine. You will see a series of dashes appear on the display where Trip A was, and they will begin to count down. Continue holding the button until these dashes disappear completely and Trip A reappears on the screen, indicating the reset is nearly finished. Once Trip A reappears on your display, you can release the trip meter button. The maintenance light should now be reset. To confirm, go ahead and start your Tundra's engine. The maintenance required light should no longer be illuminated. If the light is still on, simply repeat these 4 steps from the beginning. This process is effective for many Tundra models.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.